Hi, and welcome to this introduction of the video of MS03 of reports. Here we're going to be showing historical reports, routing reports, alarm reports that are actually inside MS02. First we'll be starting with the historical data. Click on that, a new window opens. On the left hand side you'll be able to see where it says please select a tracker. So you click on the arrow and it's going to bring up the column on the left hand side with the list of trackers for that user. So we're going to select some trackers on here. I'm going to select one more and I'm going to choose the date. I'm not going to go too far back, so I'm just going to choose yesterday's date so the data can come up a little faster. Here I click on the search and here is the list of reports that have been reported to the platform by that tracker. If you want to know where and when on the map it was located, then you double click on the bar and it shows you a picture on the map. Now here we're going to load the real-time tracking of that those three trackers. So three windows simultaneously come up and I will be viewing the routes that this particular GPS went on, but since we're looking at three at the same time, I'm going to look at and focus on just one. So by clicking play, you'll be able to see the tracker moving from its beginning point to its final destination. On the bottom right hand side, you'll be able to see the speedometer, just in case you want to see how fast he's going in kilometers per hour. And as you can see, this tracker is showing me each and every pinpoint as to when it reported to the platform. So every green spot is a report. So that's how MS03 gains that route and draws it out for you and gives it to you on a real-time display and letting you know where his beginning to end destination was for that particular day. And that was the historical data. Now we're going to head over into event report. Here we'll be able to see all the events that were triggered and sent to the MS03. So I'm going to pick one tracker. I'm going to just choose the date for a couple of days ago, and then I'm going to click search, and then here's a list of alarms that went into my MS03 from that tracker. So I see heartbeat report, input 3 was activated, SOS alarm was pressed. I double click on that line when the SOS alarm was pressed and it shows me a picture on the map to where that GPS was located when that alarm was activated. Here it shows me the GPS time when and which it was received. I double click on that particular alarm and it actually shows me on the map where that GPS was when that alarm was activated. Now we're going to go over into the speed curve. Here we'll be able to see how fast your tracker is going throughout the day, week, month, whatever the case may be. We're going to choose one tracker here. I'm just going to choose a couple of days back, to yesterday. Not worried about the time, just search, and here it's going to show me date and time and how fast this tracker is going, or the driver, so to say. So you'll be able to see your highest peak points and your lowest, and here you'll be able to identify if your customer was going higher than the exceeded speed limit. And then you put your mouse over each dot and it tells you the speed, the actual speed in which it was reported to the platform at that time. The higher the graph goes, of course, the higher the speed that he is going. This is just a graph, just indicating the speed in which your driver is going at. And here at the bottom, you get to see the amount of pages. So since I did choose a day, and every time it does report, it counts as a dot. So I'm just going to keep going through these pages and close that out.